Guys, today is Sunday. We are headed out to Edison for some cars and coffee style. There's an orange Supra right there, looks pretty dope. Then you got the gray Supra. We're gonna start this bad boy up right now, warm her up, and then we're gonna head to the show. So let me get this running, and then we'll get on our way. So my dad met this guy driving down the street the other day, and it was kind of funny because he kind of knows the 240 way back in the day. I kind of know him from similar friends, but this thing is absolutely insane. One of the widest Supras I've ever seen. The color stands out from afar. It looks really, really good. But I mean, can you blame my father for spotting it like literally like 2 miles away? This thing is insane. It's freaking J-Lo booty. Eric's got his Porsche 996 out. What up? What's going on, guys? How are you? Good. So shout out to the homies E-Shift. Frost built this motor, and I think I've seen this car before. I think I've actually had it in previous videos, but. So Anand's boy built this car, and I guess he just didn't want it anymore, so he sold it to Anand. Anand's got bringing in the motor right now, putting in mileage in, and then he's probably gonna turn up the boost. All right, guys. So we got Porsche. We got Anand'S Supra. My dad's coming out with the FD. My sister's riding with me, so she's gonna be doing most of the filming when we're driving down. And then Blake is coming too with my dad. Hey, puppy. Anand in the other Supra, and then my dad out. It's like the perfect day, and it's t-shirt weather. We haven't had that in a really long time, so I'm pretty pumped on it. Coming up about halfway point, we're gonna roll into Edison together. We got a pretty deep squad right now, and then we'll go from there.
that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.
So Eric jumped out, actually ran from all the way over there to grab the camera to just get rolling, which was pretty dope. So if you see the rolling clips, it was all him. And then we're gonna put the top secret Supra right here. What is it? Smokey Nagata, he's coming. He's the
we got Smokey flying.
He's the Dubai, Smokey Nagata Dubai edition. He's rolling up right now, and then yeah, I got my dad with the pup. My sister's here. How was that? How was ripping? It was fun. Yo, she's like, I couldn't feel my face. She started here, and when we went, whoa, boom!
I haven't been on this car yet. You need to do that.
Like one of the most rarest cars here. Anand brings it out. The whole crowd's out here looking at this compared to, you know, Lamborghinis, Audis, Porsches, the whole nine. So the Supra's getting more love than the majority of the supercars, which is pretty freaking awesome. So let's hopefully keep up the hype and go from there. But it's pretty cool to see, you know, more of the supercar like community embrace the, you know, the Supras and the JDM scene. So we didn't really have that much JDM content in a really long time. So now being out here and filming all of these cars, especially having the top secret Supra with us, is pretty freaking cool. So we're just gonna enjoy the day, we'll probably film some content, smash some B-roll, and then we'll go from there. Your girl's here, my girl's not here. Can make you too. I'm sorry. Ha! Oh, so fucking ridiculous. What's your favorite car here, dude?
That one.
What is it?
It's some Porsche thing.
Wide? You guys don't remember Eric? He was in the last vlog with his multicolored 240. It's sponsored by Porsche. It's sponsored by this shop.
964, one of those two.
So I would definitely pick this over having this. And not talking shit, I would love to have this.
If you're wrong.